Hello everyone, good morning. So in this recorded uh, video, I'm going to demonstrate kung paano natin i-access yung ating learning management system in KDCI para mag-start na tayo mag-aral ng mga lessons na inihanda ng teachers natin sa mga subjects na enrolled tayo for this semester. So assuming that you have already downloaded the app, whether it's for iOS na platform or for Android devices, the app has a similar interface. Yun lang man navigation nung OS mismo ang naiba. Okay, so once you open the app, pumunta lang tayo dun sa site mismo ng KDCI in kdci.edu.ph. Alright? And then, it will lead you to the login page. Okay, so gamitin natin yung school ID number na binigay sa atin ng MIS. So, huwag natin kakalimutan yon. If you forget your username or your password, send an email or a message to your program head or teacher so that they could guide you through the password retrieval or username retrieval process. So, gagamitin natin ngayon yung dummy account ni Sigmund Freud. Kasi estudyante siya ng Psych sa KDCI. And then, ang kanyang password, sana naalala ni Freud, hindi niya nakalimutan, mag-login na. So, once we have logged in, okay, sometimes nag-i-error siya. Kailangan natin ng konting patience. Hindi yun siya dahil merong error sa server, baka sa internet connectivity natin. Kasi peak hours din nung gumaga ako ng recording na to. So, it's possible na yan, lumabas na. Okay, just a little patience. So you will see now the courses that you're enrolled in. Si Freud, enrolled siya ng Intro to Counseling, Physiological Psychology, at saka Psychological Statistics. So, mananavigate ka agad natin, di ba? So, pwede rin tayo mag-scroll, pag ganyan, yung mga recently accessed course natin. So, for example, i-open natin ang Psychological Statistics. Wag na lang kasi nakastart na siya dyan. Dito lang tayo sa, sige, psychological statistics na lang. Okay? Once you open it, ang unang mapupuntahan ninyo is the general part of the course. So, if you notice, nag-navigate ako, itong mga arrows dito, para siyang next tile. Kung sa browser ito siya, I'm clicking through the tiles ng course. Pero since nasa app ako, I just move forward between the tiles. So, back, back. So, let's start with the general because the general is like the basic part of the subject that your teacher has prepared. So, merong announcements, course helpline, saka yung link para sa inyong synchronous sessions. If you click announcements, makikita mo yung mga information, news, or mga gustong iparating ng teacher ninyo sa inyo. Okay, so may announcement na si Sir Sam. Oh, you're alright. So, pwede tayong start ng discussion or pakita natin yung mga reply, pero ito naka-disable ang reply kasi announcement naman siya. Okay. So, after that, click back and then check natin yung course helpline. So, in the course helpline, you can start a new discussion. So, if you have a question or a concern about the LMS or other topics of your course, just click plus and then you can add your question here. Question on lesson 1. What is the essence of being a dog? Ganon. So, let's say, then i-post nyo lang siya, post to forum so that your teachers could answer and your classmates could also answer. Back. Okay, I don't want to save that. Then, this will be the Zoom link. It will try to open the app kapag i-click nyo siya. Hindi ko na-install ang Zoom sa akin. So, babalik na lang tayo dun sa app. Then, if we have already done this, punta tayo doon sa next page. Yun, navigation. Just touch this. So, you will immediately notice this is the first tile in the subject So, makikita ninyo yung FLDG, Psychological Statistics. Tapos, may mga maliliit na mga boxes. Itong mga maliliit na mga boxes ay dapat siyang i-tick, mark as complete. Yan. So, kapag may check na siya, ibig sabihin, tapos mo na siyang basahin. Halimbawa, i-open natin. Okay, I would open the file and it would download it. Yan na naman, good luck sa internet. So, ma-download na niyo siya kapag i-open the file. Okay, so then, course overview. Dito nag-post si Sir Sam ng details about the subject. Alright, and then if you're done, you mark it as complete. So, adding a check to these boxes means that you have marked this page as complete. And the course requirements, i-check nyo kung halimbawa tapos na. Okay. Now, if you notice, alisin muna natin ha. Itong page na may check, this is a quiz na module. Sabi niya, restricted not unless you have already completed yung course requirements and grading system. So, there are parts of the LMS na hindi mo siya ma-access until you have marked this one as complete. So, it's important na kapag makikita tayo ng mga boxes na ganito, once we have watched the video or performed the task or read the material, we tick it as such. And voila, you can now access the student agreement course. Okay? So, dahil nasagutan ko na to doon sa browser demo na ginawa ko, just go back to that video as a reference on how to answer. So, next page na tayo. So, in your next tile, you would see the lessons that your teacher has prepared for you. So, for example, gusto ko na i-open yung lesson 1. So, i-click nyo lang yan siya. And then, nandiyan na yung mga video. So, manood na tayo. Pwede nyo i-change ang inyong orientation.
Hello class, good morning. Welcome to
Skinhead pa ako dito.
Statistics. Welcome to our subject, Psychological Statistics.
Sige, stop na. Tama na yon. So, ganun, embedded na. Pwede rin ninyo siyang i-copy yung link, tapos i-open nyo sa browser. Siyempre, maliit to siya. So, gusto nyo mas makita yung aking skinhead. So, close. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-full screen. Kayo na bahala. Pwede ba ito i-download? Hindi ata ito pwede i-download kasi naka-YouTube link ito. So, nandito na yung mga lectures, classes for lesson 1. Okay, once I'm done, I'll just take that. And then, it's marked as done. Then, I'll watch the other videos again. Alright, ayan. Mga lessons na. And then you tick it. So now you can access the block quiz. Kanina, di ba, hindi pa ma-access yung block quiz? Yan, Sabi niya, not available unless you have marked frequency distributions as complete. So, tick it and then you can access. So, ganun lang. May mga quizzes na hindi pa siya ma-access. I don't think may laman na to. So, kung may error na gano'n, refresh lang. Okay, refresh, okay. Alright. So, if we go to the next page, it will directly lead you to the prelim examination. So, the prelim examination is also in the same platform. Dito na rin tayo mag-i-exam. However, hindi pa siya available kasi hindi pa kayo natag ng inyong teacher as having completed the prelim exam permit. Okay, so may listing online ang mga teachers ninyo kung sino yung nakatapos na ng prelim exam permit. Tapos kapag chinek nila yon, tsaka nyo pa ma-open yung prelim examinations. Then you can also open the resources. Here, you can see them. Yeah, the PDF file of the books that we are going to use for the subject. Okay? So an important thing is to make sure that you tick all the necessary things that you have to tick. So your lessons, quizzes are all here. The only thing that you would need would be your synchronous session na app unless your teacher is using also a built-in na app to open your Parang big blue button at saka Jitsi Meet. Dito din siya sa app mag-open. Okay, so if you have any questions, just send us a chat in our LMS hotline sa Discord channel natin para doon tayo mag-usap. At saka don't forget to attach a screenshot. Mas madali natin ma-troubleshoot kung may screenshot. Alright, goodbye, and thank you.